Paracetamol, also known as acetaminophen, is one of the most commonly used drugs worldwide for the treatment of pain and fever. The 250 mg tablet is especially useful in pediatric patients and adults requiring low-dose therapy. In this video, we will discuss paracetamol 250 mg in detail, including its pharmacology, clinical uses, safety profile, interactions, and monitoring, based on standard medical textbooks. Introduction. Paracetamol is a non-opioid, non-NSAID analgesic and antipyretic. Unlike NSAIDs, it has minimal anti-inflammatory activity and does not significantly inhibit peripheral prostaglandin synthesis, making it safer for the stomach and kidneys when used correctly. Brand names: 250 mg. Paracetamol 250 mg is marketed under several brand names and is widely used in both adults and children. Many of these formulations are available over the counter. Dosage forms. Paracetamol is available in multiple dosage forms to accommodate different age groups and clinical situations. The 250 mg tablet is commonly used in children and adults requiring low doses. Route of administration. The most common route of administration is oral. Rectal and intravenous routes are used when oral administration is not possible, such as in vomiting or critically ill patients. Dose. In adults, paracetamol is given in doses of 250 to 500 mg every 4 to 6 hours. In children, dosing is weight-based. Exceeding the maximum daily dose can cause serious liver toxicity. Mechanism of action. Paracetamol primarily acts in the central nervous system by inhibiting prostaglandin synthesis. This explains its analgesic and antipyretic effects without significant anti-inflammatory activity. Pharmacokinetics. Paracetamol is rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract and metabolized in the liver. A small fraction is converted into a toxic metabolite, which is detoxified by glutathione at therapeutic doses. Indications. Paracetamol is the drug of choice for fever in children and is widely used for mild to moderate pain. It is also considered safe during pregnancy when used at recommended doses. Common side effects. At therapeutic doses, paracetamol is very well tolerated. Minor side effects are uncommon and usually mild. Serious adverse effects. Paracetamol overdose can cause severe liver damage due to depletion of glutathione and accumulation of toxic metabolites. This is a medical emergency. Contraindications. Paracetamol is contraindicated in patients with severe hepatic impairment. Caution is required in chronic alcohol users due to increased risk of hepatotoxicity. Precautions. Patients should be educated to avoid taking multiple paracetamol-containing products simultaneously, which can unintentionally lead to overdose. Drug-drug interactions. Chronic alcohol use and enzyme-inducing drugs increase the risk of paracetamol-induced liver toxicity. Long-term use may potentiate warfarin effects. Drug-food interactions. Food slightly delays absorption but does not reduce efficacy. Alcohol significantly increases the risk of liver damage. Monitoring parameters. Routine monitoring is not required for short-term use, but liver function tests are important in chronic therapy or overdose. Lab tests, if indicated. These tests are essential in suspected paracetamol toxicity to guide antidote therapy with N-acetylcysteine. Thank you for watching this detailed pharmacology lecture on paracetamol 250 meters G. Subscribe for more exam-oriented medical education content.